know that there's a really easy way to get Photoshop for completely free? It's online, it's free, it has every functionality, and it's all through one tool called Photopea. And here it is. This is Photopea. It's a completely free Photoshop alternative, and it's arguably easier to use. It has all the functionality of Photoshop, and you can even follow Photoshop tutorials on here. So let's take an example of that. I'm going to create a new project that's 1920 by 1080. Click create. And then we're going to head over to YouTube, and then on this video of mine, what we're going to do is find the car. Here it is. And now let's follow this tutorial, which is made for Photoshop, which I got a trial version of on Photopea. Here it is inside of Photopea. I'm going to just use the transform controls to resize that. And then let's see what we need to do. So we need to get the lasso tool, so polygon and lasso tool. And let's zoom into the number plate. And boom. That is literally this exact same effect. It works just as well. Yeah, you just need to try this out. It's really good. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.